Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May 19, 2023. Let's get this video started because Nvidia currently is nearing all-time highs. You guys can actually tell from the close of yesterday that Nvidia is only 9% away from tapping out the all-time highs. Will it make it? Let's talk about it because this has been a very strong stock in the stock market for the first half of 2023. You guys can also tell that we've been paying attention to Nvidia, so hopefully you all have been watching all of our content on this particular channel because we've definitely been participating in this fantastic move up in Nvidia. Now, I haven't done a price prediction on my last video in Nvidia, but I want to show you all something here because I did a snippet, right? I did a screenshot on my video right here. Here's the title: Is Nvidia stock still undervalued? Should you invest in Nvidia stock? Here's what to know now. I know there's a grammatical error there. Don't hold it against me. But it was around 13 days ago. Okay, so there was a comment that was left on the video. Chris Rogers left a comment, said that it broke, it probably was auto-corrected, it broke above 280, 286 on strength today, right? Because I told you on that video, seeing Nvidia break 280 to the upside, the market is going to go up. What do you think now? So he posed a question. I told him right there, Nvidia is bullish. And here it is today from 13 days ago, which would have been on the 14th of May. Or about May the 5th. Right there, May the 5th. 280. The market broke on strength. I told them the market was bullish. So even though I didn't actually drop a price prediction in Nvidia on that particular right now, we still saw that price was bullish. So hopefully you all saw that comment. If not, it happens. But nevertheless, Nvidia is still trending. Okay, so now here it is. This is the current trend that we're going to pay attention to Nvidia going forward. We need to see price and Nvidia continue to hold this level, this trend now. Okay, now obviously, being that Nvidia is massively bullish, why would you be bearish right now? The only thing that we need to be more cautious of is the beginning stages of seeing Nvidia come down. That's it. Because earnings right there, May 24th next week is due. This could be the top of the market in Nvidia. It could be. Or it can actually bring the market back up to these all-time high areas. Now, as right now, yes, if you're trying to see if Nvidia is a buy, the chart is definitely telling you that. I mean, because even here on the daily chart, we have another indicator right there. A push to go up bar was created yesterday into the market Nvidia. So pretty much it's only about an entry point or a time frame as to when to come in and participate. Like, would you want to come in now and buy Nvidia? No, because the market is definitely breaking away from the trend. So even though you may feel as if you want to hop on board, sometimes you may want to wait until the ride comes back around. Okay, but yeah, it's still bullish. I mean, even here on the 2-day chart, you have one indicator there. You have another indicator here in Nvidia telling that the market is still bullish. And here it is on the current 2 days. We still have 8 hours and 25 minutes left, but still, the market is still trending bullish. So nothing has changed in the environment for Nvidia to say, it looked like the market's about to come down. Like, we don't see that yet. Okay, we're not seeing it as of this recording. Let me be specific. Here it is on the 3-day. In the next 8 hours and 24 minutes, again, you're seeing the price in Nvidia bullish. You have another indicator there. Look at this on the 5-day. See, the charts don't lie. All you had to do is come through and look at multiple time frames, get confirmation, and you guys can see it, another indicator. So on varying time frames, this market is glaringly bullish. This Nvidia, the chart for Nvidia is literally telling you you don't want to be on the opposite side of this market, because whoever is coming in buying Nvidia is taking out all of the short sellers. This chart, all of these time frames that I just shown you, is literally telling you that. Why would you want to go against this very strong market? Why? Here it is on the weekly. Again, we have 8 hours and 23 minutes left, but another indicator. Now check this out. Even if we do see the market in Nvidia break this trend line, this is the next area that we need to see the market buyers hold. Boom, simple, right? We don't want to see Nvidia's price on any movement to the downside break this trend line first, but if it does, we have another net right around 280 again. Okay, so when this earnings is released, pay attention to see, for one, if price goes lower, two, how low it goes. Because if we still see the market come in Nvidia hold at 280, then that tells you buyers are stepping back in and buying the stock because they're still looking for the market to trend higher. Charts don't lie. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Okay, so the only thing that I would tell you is be cautious as we're nearing these all-time high areas. I would expect volatility to increase, for real. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this. I am done. I'm going to go ahead and look for price in Nvidia to trend up. Here it is on the 5-weekly chart. Again, this is probably one of the strongest stocks in the market to date, Nvidia, for the first half of 2023. And if all of these YouTube gurus were such fantastic at picking stocks, they would have been told you about Nvidia, but they've gone silent because they told you back in, 2022, 2021 to come in and buy the stock, and you've been down the whole time. And now if you bought Nvidia around 300, you're finally seeing a profit. And I know it's painful seeing Nvidia go lower. Needless to say, Nvidia is one out of a handful of other stocks that's trending this way. The majority of the stocks that they pushed is not moving in this direction. So let me go ahead and get done with this and let you all go. We're going to look for Nvidia to trend up. Okay, so we're still going to be bullish, but like I said, need to be a little bit more cautious. Okay, so now these are the areas that we're going to pay attention to for buying. We need to see buyers whenever price in Nvidia comes down, right? Because it is. Nvidia will come down. We want to see the buyers come in and hold the market though on either of these two lines. Okay, so I even like $300 as support too. In and around 300, like 295 maybe. I like that too, to be seen as support, but I'm going to bring it down to 280. Now, targets. Well, our ultimate target is going to be up there at the all-time high area. Okay, which is 9.5%, $347. And our second target, we're just going to do two targets. So let me look at the market over here. $325 is going to be our second target. Okay, so we have the all-time high area as one target. That's 9.5%, 347, give or take. Second target is going to be 323, 325, give or take. That's only 2.4% move higher from where the market last traded on yesterday. Okay, those are the only two targets. Now we'll just sit back and see what happens in the market action, because if we begin to see more weakness as we're hitting these all-time high points, then this is going to be a very short price prediction, and we're going to look for the market to go a lot lower. So just keep your eyes open. Go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Let me know how do you think Nvidia is going to trade as we near earnings, because I would expect that will be the change that we'll see in the market in Nvidia, i.e. begin to see price go lower. So we may not actually hold this price prediction that long. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.